Welcome back to the Frenchie's world. Yes, it's me, Frenchie, and I'm back at it again with another video. A video for you guys. Yes, my videos will always be for you guys. So you guys, listen. I am at this gas station, and what I'm going in there for is to go try Krispy Krunchy chicken. You guys, Krispy Krunchy chicken. They say that is the best gas station chicken, and I've been seeing it everywhere. Everywhere people were doing the reviews on it. Was my turn now, and you guys, I don't know how this is gonna taste. I don't know, but I'm gonna go in there and give me some chicken and some wedges and try them out and see if it is the best gas station chicken for me. I never had crispy crunchy chicken ever. I never had it, and this is going to be my first time trying it out. So you guys, you can do me a favor, go down and click that like, share, comment, and subscribe so you guys won't miss these bangers. And let's get into this reaction, this food review, this taste at this gas station. And they have crispy crunchy chicken in there. So I'll see you guys in the next scene. Bye. I want to get some chicken over there. So how does it work? Okay. What we're gonna do is let's say oh, this right here. However much you want to get, let's say Monica, and then I'll take care of your line for you. I'll take care of the line for you. So let's say she's supposed to be speaking. Yeah. How does it work? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Now what we got right here? You just want chicken for you, honey, or just? Yeah, I just want to try it out. I just heard some good stuff about this. So I was like, let me see if it's really good. So I'm gonna like try the chicken out. Okay. Okay, you guys, I have the chicken. I got cause they don't even have, they don't even they don't sell breasts. They only sell thighs, wings, and legs, drums. Yep, right here. Oh, I got a thigh right here. I got a drum, and I got wings and the biscuit that look buttered up. And then I got wedges as well. The first thing I'm gonna try is the wedges. That's the wedge. Okay, the wedge is wedging. That's good. Yep, it's good. Now, let's try a drum. I'm not really a drum fan, but let's try the drums, you guys. Now, they said this is better than 7-Eleven's chicken. They were saying you can't even compare it to 7-Eleven. So I was like, okay. So let's try this one with no sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys, with no sauce. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. That was probably the best drum I have ever had because I don't like drums. Okay, okay, that is good, and I didn't put no sauce to it. Let's try the wing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Uh-huh. This, oh my gosh, it's actually really good. I'm not even, wow. Okay, the thigh. Let's try the thigh. Oh my gosh. This is better than Winkle's chicken, Walmart chicken, better than 7-Eleven's chicken. Oh my gosh. This, you guys, biscuit. Mm, look at that. Mm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The biscuit is so fire. Oh my god, this is bomb. If I never heard of Krispy Krunchy chicken and somebody brought it home to me, I would never thought it would be from a gas station. Oh my gosh. I am at home right now. I was eating the food in the car and it was becoming a mess because I was holding my tripod in one hand and eating with the other hand. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just get home and I'm gonna just finish the video when I get home. So, you guys see me eat the wedge, the biscuit, the thigh, the drum, and the wing. Now let's try them with the condiments. Ketchup. Now let's try the ketchup with. Let's try the ketchup with a wedge. Mm-hmm. Now ketchup is ketchup in. Let's try it with a drum. Now those wedges are really good. Those wedges. Mm-hmm. That's good. That is good. Uh-huh. I want to try this with everything. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. That's good. Okay. Let's try this one. Mm-hmm. That's crazy. But I'm about to do it. I'm about to put ketchup on this. Ew. I know, but mm-hmm. The Louisiana hot sauce right here. Can't go wrong with Louisiana hot sauce. Okay. Let's try the thigh. Mm-hmm. Let's try to win. You guys, these chickens are good. Mm. Yep. This is good. Now, if I didn't know it was at a gas station, man, I just would never known. It's the best chicken I have ever gotten at a gas station. Mm-hmm. Cause 7-Eleven, their chickens be like overly cooked and like super dry. These chickens are moist, crispy, fried to perfection. Got the oily salt to it. I know you guys, this is deep fried. Okay. I know. I'm only doing this for you guys. Okay. I don't be eating when I'm not doing the video. I am eating the right way for my fitness health. So yes, you guys, but you guys, this is the crunch is there. The oily taste is there. The salt and pepper taste is there. Yes, on perfection. And this is probably the best biscuit I got from a chicken place. Literally. And it's at a gas station, you guys. Try the honey mustard, you guys. Honey mustard with this. Yeah, I was making a mess in the car and I didn't want to open up any of the condiments and make a mess. Let's try it with a wedge. See, this is good. Let's see if this is good honey mustard. Mm. Mm-hmm. That's good. Let me break this. Let's see. Yep. That's good. That's good. This is good honey mustard. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is bomb. This is bomb. I give everything a 10 out of 10. Comparing it to 7-Eleven, to Walmart's chicken, fried chicken. I'm comparing it to Winkle's chicken, fried chicken. Anywhere else that's like that sells chicken like those places. This is the best, best right here. So far, the best. So, if you guys haven't heard about Krispy Krunchy chicken, or you guys have and never been to it yet, you should go try it out. You guys should go try it out. Yes. Krispy Krunchy chicken near you. Should go try them out. You won't be disappointed at all. So, you guys, I'm going to end this video off right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.